everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to the Ulta's new grand opening, to the one in Grand Prairie. I'm waiting for my sister to get here, so since I'm just waiting for her, I'm gonna hit up this store right here. It's called Burke's Outlet. I've been to one before in Irving, so I'm about to take y'all along with me to that. So yeah, let's go inside. Some of them have that. True. Yeah. It looks bigger than the other one. Ten actually. That's fun. But this one, so So we just left the Ulta and Ross, and I just bought some Fabletics leggings at Ross, but I really didn't buy much at Ulta. But now I'm coming to Burlington real quick to see what the fuck they got. This is the new Burlington that they opened right here in Grand Prairie. Alright everyone, back. So I'm about to show y'all everything that I picked up. Where I bought the most was at Burlington, so I'm about to start with I picked up these neon green Fenty Puma slides. Y'all, I'm about to look saucy as fuck when I'm at the fucking beach. Okay, you can see me from like a fucking mile away. I thought they were different, so you know, if I pair this up with the black swimsuit, bitch, yes. I didn't try them on. I'm thinking they fit me. They were size 6.5, but I only paid $12.99 for these. So I thought that was a fucking steal. Another thing I picked up were these Adidas biker shorts. I've been wanting to try some biker shorts, and these actually fit me pretty nice. They're a little bit shorter than biker shorts, but you know, they Adidas, so I thought that would be fucking cute. They were $14.99. And then I picked up a gray Champion shirt. This is in the size extra small, $4.99. And then I picked up this Adidas shirt, which I thought was really cute. I like the coloring and how the lettering is right there. This was $9.99. I've been fucking with Adidas lately. I picked up some underwear that I'm not going to show you. And then I picked up these, what are these? I forgot what they're called. Cotton applicators. I like these because they're kind of pointed, and these come in handy when you're doing people's makeup and they start crying, because the pointiness just kind of boom, just goes right there. So that's what I picked up. These Fabletics capri leggings. I love Fabletics. That's the little logo right here. If you have not tried out Fabletics, I definitely recommend for you to try them out, because they hold everything in and they fit you really, really nice. These, I got them at Ross. They were $12.99. And then I'm about to show y'all what I got at Ulta. I didn't get a lot at Ulta, honestly, even though it felt like I paid a shitload. But I needed to restock on my Morphe setting spray. This is one of my favorites. And then I picked up this Maui Moisture. This is a detangler. I need anything to detangle my hair because that should be a fucking mess when I get out the shower. But then I also picked up this liquid liner in the color blue. Thinking of creating a look with this, bitch, yes. But yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I picked up on this little haul shop with me type trip. I know I really didn't record a lot in the past 2 weeks, but because I've been trying to save some money and I haven't been shopping at all, I'm gonna plan on doing a eye makeup tutorial very soon. But I actually have to go pick up eyelashes because I have a shitload of makeup to do tomorrow, so that's what I am about to do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, let me get out of here without hitting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are not already, please make sure to subscribe to my motherfucking channel, bitch. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If y'all have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. But yeah, you guys enjoyed watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Bye.